it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Life Made Easy. And today, guys, we are going to be doing a quick unboxing and full review of the Vankyo C750s that just got released. Company called Vantop manufactured, and they sent me out a pair of these, so shout out to them. Now, I did have a longer unboxing video, but that file got corrupted, so I was left with this one. So I'm just basically going through everything in the box. It comes with a hard shell case, a 3.5mm headphone jack wire, obviously the Bluetooth headset itself, and a USB charging cable and a quick start guide / manual, but I'm guessing most people don't actually listen to that or read that. So now let me get into my final thoughts or overall thoughts about this. Let me get some specifications out of the way first. Okay, guys, so yeah, gonna be doing a full review of these Bluetooth headphones. Just to get some overall specifications out of the way, just list these really briefly, then I'll go into the subjective portion of the video, because I know you guys like hearing specs, but also want to hear my personal opinion on the headphones. So right now, Vankyo headphones, sold on Amazon mainly. They also have their own website, but I'm going to be linking these down in the description if you guys want to go pick these up. Now, I've reviewed an absolute million pair of headphones at this point, so I know what I like in terms of sound quality. I'm pretty specific on what I like, so I like to be critical, because critical feedback is always good and helps manufacturers make the next version of their product even better. But no, overall, I thought these were solid headphones. Spoiler alert, little foreshadowing there. They checked a lot of the boxes that I appreciate in headphones. So let me just get into the quick specs that you guys came here to listen to. So main thing is they are $59.99 on Amazon. Oh, new subscriber. So $59.99 on Amazon. So pretty on the budget side. Not too much money. I think it's a good bang for the buck. If these were like $200 headphones, I would say no, that's way too expensive. But $60 is a fantastic price for these headphones. So they have active noise canceling that blocks out up to 90% of ambient noise, which is cool. I love active noise canceling headphones. I think they're awesome if you're in a loud environment or you're on an airplane. It's great to kind of just not hear everything around you, just focus on the music or the audio. Oh, another subscriber. It's great to just listen to the pure audio and hear nothing else. So we got Bluetooth 5.0 on board. That's kind of a necessity, honestly, these days. If these headphones, or if any headphones don't have Bluetooth 5, gotta knock it, because honestly, that is the latest Bluetooth technology. I found pairing with these extremely fast. It took under 5 seconds. I just hit the power button. It did the flashing red and blue light pattern, and showed up right on my phone, connected instantly, and I was able to play music that quickly. You can also use these in wired mode if you're a wire fan and don't want to deal with the connectivity issues that Bluetooth may bring, even though they are Bluetooth 5.0. But you can use these in wire mode, although I don't think you can use the microphone in wired mode, because it doesn't have the 3-pin sort of 3.5 cable. It's only the 2-pin one. So we also have 40mm drivers, hi-fi sound, and deep bass. Very immersive audio, honestly. If I'm going to get into the audio portion of this, so there's various settings you can use these on, right? We have active noise canceling, wired, and also wireless mode. To me, my favorite was probably the favorite configuration I used them in was probably wired without noise cancellation, and then wireless with noise cancellation. They all kind of produced a different form of sound, which is kind of crazy to think about that. The noise canceling was pretty good. I'm going to be honest, it was pretty good. It blocked out a lot of the exterior noise. There was a bit of hissing, so it wasn't that bad, but it was there. So yeah, I think the hissing was more prevalent in the wireless version when I was using these via Bluetooth. However, I think overall, I think my favorite configuration was the wireless with the active noise canceling on. To me, that had the best bass, which is weird because the bass changed when I was altering those different configurations. And I found the bass to be very, very thumpy. I'm a big bass fan. And honestly, the vocals sounded a little more clear when I turned the active noise cancellation on, which is weird, but that's my personal preference. You guys may have a different personal preference. It's all up to you. So as I said, audio is great. For 60 bucks, you're getting some great audio in these headphones. We have built-in CVC 8.0 noise canceling microphone. Now, I wasn't able to test the microphone too extensively, but I personally looked up my own reviews online. So I don't have a lot of examples to post here, but from what I've heard, these headphones have a decent sounding mic. Now, you can't expect anything fantastic like a Blue Yeti microphone like I'm using right now, but it'll do great for call quality. Even in windy environments, it'll work well. So check plus there. Overall design, a lot of plastic in this build overall, which is fine. I mean, 60 bucks, you're not going to be getting like the most quality materials. You have to cut corners somewhere. But overall feel go great on fit well on my head. I like the design overall. Big fan of black, kind of shiny material right here. You can extend it. There's a metal band here, and it's great that it actually has little lines, numerics here, to show you like what setting you're on in terms of the headset size, which is great. Headband, super soft, no issues there. Cushions, super soft, no issues there. One thing I would complain a little bit about is just maybe like the tightness of the fit. It was a little loose for me. I usually like a tighter seal. Without the active noise canceling turned on, I did find that the seal was good, just not great. Like just putting it on normally like this, it blocks out a lot of the sound, exterior sound, almost like mimics active noise cancellation. And when you add that on top of it, you can hardly hear anything, which is great because that's the whole point of active noise cancellation. I really like how it marks the left and right really clearly there, unless you get confused, but it's pretty obvious which is left and which is right. No USB Type-C on this one, but that's fine. 60 bucks, you shouldn't really expect that. We have a little small switch for on and off for active noise cancellation, very easy to use. We have the 3.5 wire plug-in if you want to use it in wire mode, which I highly recommend. I personally like wired headphones over wireless just because I think the sound quality is slightly better, and there's no connectivity issues. We have the volume up and down. You just tap it if you want to, and this only works in wireless mode. You can't control the volume keys or the volume on your music or podcast or whatever you're listening to if you're in wired mode, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, just tap it, up lowers or raises the volume. Power button, pretty self-explanatory, turns it on or off, just hold it. And then if you want to skip tracks, you just hold the volume up or down button for a couple seconds and it'll switch the track, either forward or backward. Yeah, I don't have a lot to say about this other than that, like, I think this is a quality headset for 60 bucks. You can't go wrong with this. To me, this is one of those headsets that someone would hold on to for a long time. And I'm always a fan of over-ear 40mm driver headphones and stuff like that. So guys, that's going to be it for this review. Love these headphones. I think they're fantastic for the money. Obviously, you can pay more and get a higher model with maybe a little better sound quality or custom build materials or something like that. But for 60 bucks, these are great. And I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description of these. If you guys want to go check them out on Amazon. As I said, $59.99 right now. Highly recommend it. And yeah, they also come with a case. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. Nice fabric case, really soft. And yeah, good job. See you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.